organic brand, and plane, aeroplane. Let's do this. Do this. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I've come here to share my review on few of the products from Biotech. But before we do that, you guys already know the drill. Please subscribe to my channel if you guys have not yet already, and do not forget to hit that bell icon because you guys definitely don't want to miss out on anything. Hello, also follow me on social media for more updates. Now without any further delay, let me quickly take you to the video. Okay guys, so a lot of you already know that Biotech is an Indian Ayurvedic organic brand. To be very honest, I had bought a few products from Biotech in the past, and it didn't really go down well with me because I found it too Ayurvedic. You know what I mean? The smell, the texture, and how it felt on my skin. I just felt it's too Ayurvedic. But now that I'm exploring so many other homegrown brands, I just thought let me just try it once, because of course my skin has also transformed, in so many years. So I just thought that let me just try it one more time and let me figure out, because a lot of people are really vouching for Biotech products. A lot of my friends use it so much, like they are like the ardent believers of Biotech. So I just thought let me just try it. So here I am just doing that. So I bought 4 products from Amazon, and I just picked up the products that I thought that might really suit my skin. So without wasting now any more time talking, I am going to tell you one by one about the products. Here we go. Okay, so the first product is this. It is Bio Cucumber Pore Tightening Toner with Himalayan waters. This is for normal to oily skin, so good for my combination skin. And this is 120 ml ka dabba that I got for some 113 rupees from Amazon. Very inexpensive. Very inexpensive. Now, Bio Cucumber is known to cool and purify your skin, which also helps to reduce the puffiness and tiredness from your skin. It also helps to restore the actual texture of your skin. Bio Cucumber, together with the water found in the foothills of Himalayas, is formulated to make a formula, an agent, which really helps to maintain the pH balance of your skin and restores your skin to its purest state. It definitely smells a bit strong, like that astringent. Yeah, just the smell is little too strong, but it's very refreshing. I must say it is very, very, very refreshing. I apply it twice in a day, once in the morning and once in the night. You can apply it either with cotton pads or directly on your face. I prefer to apply it directly on my face, but of course there are days when I want to really soak all the cotton pads and put them on my face like a mask. So you could do that also. It's very rejuvenating. So to really simplify the benefits of this toner, it really helps you tighten your pores. Somebody with big open pores, this is the go-to toner. And it also reduces the signs of aging. It reduces the fine lines, it reduces the wrinkles. So all in all, it's an amazing toner, very inexpensive. I've applied it so much, you guys can see I'm literally going to be over it, and I'm going to order one more, maybe many more. I just like it. So yeah, I can totally vouch for this one. So the second product is this Bio Seaweed Revitalizing Anti-Fatigue Eye Gel. This is 15 grams ka dabba. for 149 rupees. Again, very inexpensive. So guys, this is a gel formula. It helps you prevent the signs of stress, puffiness and dark circles. Again, I apply this twice in a day, once in the morning and once in the night. In the beginning, it used to burn a little bit when I just started applying this one, but after a point I just got used to it. So all these products that I'm talking about right now, I've been using them since a month now. Okay, so I'm really talking out of my experience of a month, and a very little amount of it is enough for you to reduce the dark circles and the bulge around your eyes. You don't need a lot of it, just chota sa amount. So the seaweed really detoxifies, rejuvenates and soothes your under eyes. So this is for all skin types, men, women, everybody can use it. Talking about the fragrance, it's very mild, very gentle, very thoda Ayurvedic, not too Ayurvedic, if you understand what I mean. Okay guys, so the third product, and definitely my favorite out of this lot, is Bio Dandelion Visibly Ageless Serum. This is 40 ml for some 172 rupees. Again, very inexpensive for a serum. This serum is in a lotion form, which makes it so hydrating, and you guys know I'm a sucker for hydration. This one is rich in vitamin E and minerals, and the regular use of it can really help you reduce the dark spots, wrinkles, fine lines, and also brighten up your skin. This also restores the natural texture of your skin, which is great. Again, this is for all skin types, men, women, whoever want to use it, and you just need a very little amount. Just gently massage it onto your skin and use it twice in a day, once in the morning, once in the evening. Talking about the fragrance, again, it's very natural, very mild, actually negligible, very negligible, very natural, not too Ayurvedic. Last product that I got is this. It is a Bio Peach Clarifying and Refining Peel Off Mask. This is 50 grams for some 149 rupees. This one is for oily, acne prone skin. This one vouches to really cleanse your pores and pull out all the impurities. This is rich in antioxidants. Since it's a peel off mask, you just apply it all over your clean face, let it dry, and then peel it off from your face, and then wash it with water, or just cleanse your face or the remaining traces with the damp cloth. So whatever the thing that Biotech has mentioned about it, they all sound really good, and I've definitely applied it 3 or 4 times by now. I didn't really like it, to be very honest, because it smells like alcohol. Even worse. I mean, I'll show you. You'll see it on my face. This is intolerable, guys. This smell is intolerable. I cannot tolerate this smell. I think it's just because of the smell that but I still used it 3 or 4 times. Can you believe it? Because I really wanted to try, and I didn't want to go wrong about it. I just wanted to give you guys correct information. That is why I used it. Okay, so once you apply it and once it dries, it's okay. I mean, you peel it off, it feels okay on your skin, but the smell part is just too strong. It's too prominent that you cannot look over it. I just didn't like the smell. So and you know what, this was one product that I thought will really suit me, because it is for oily to acne prone skin. I really thought it will help my skin during this monsoons, cleanse my impurities, but very bad smell, very bad smell. So I definitely could not cope up with the smell. So if you guys don't have any problem with the fragrance, like extreme fragrance, like alcohol or dendrite gone bad, then go for it. Otherwise, don't. So yeah, the smell is intolerable. Okay guys, so that was it for today. I definitely liked the 3 products for sure, and you can definitely go ahead and try them out. I hope you guys liked this video. I hope you guys found the information useful. If you did, then please let me know in the comments section. I'll be more than happy to receive the feedback, and I'm going to see you guys again very soon. You guys have an amazing day. Lots of love to you all.